What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Excel files directly in your browser. You can do this in Google Chrome or any other browser. If you have an Excel file but don't have Microsoft Office installed, then you won't be able to open it on your computer. So if that's the case, just follow this step-by-step guide. First, open your browser and search for Excel Online. Then, open the first link, which is Microsoft's official online Excel. Sign in with your account and click on Upload File. Now select your Excel file and open it. Here you can edit or make any changes you want to this Excel spreadsheet. Alternatively, open Google Chrome and go to drive.google.com. Then click on New and upload your Excel file from your computer. Once the file is uploaded, simply double-click on it and it will automatically open in Google Sheets, right inside your browser. You can now view, edit, or even download it again as an Excel file whenever you want. You can also download the WPS Office software to your device to do the same job. And that's it. That's how you can easily open Excel files in your browser without needing Microsoft Excel installed.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.